Hey, it's Design Guy here. Ready to design a standout resume that pops using Canva? Click Create, then type Resume. Select English and set the page size to A3 landscape. Browse the available templates and choose the one you prefer. Click on your chosen template to open it. This sets up your resume with the correct language and layout, ready for you to customize with your personal information and experience. You can change your image by clicking the image area. Next, type your name and edit the personal information fields. For contacts and websites, enter the details in the provided fields. If you have a physical certificate, you can add it by clicking the certificate section. These edits customize your profile quickly and easily. Save changes when finished to apply updates. Enter your job experience, education, and skills in the designated sections to complete your profile information accurately and professionally. This helps showcase your qualifications effectively. Add languages you are proficient in by clicking the Add Language button. After finishing your edits, click the Download button to save your work to your device. Resize the image to increase its quality and get the best possible resolution for your project or presentation. Use PDF print settings for the best quality output. Now you know how to create a resume in Canva-like and subscribe for more easy design tips.